My name's Vincent. I am the owner and operator of R2R Electric. We are here checking out some super rare fuzz pedals that I have in the shop. I repaired them for a collector named John, who lives in the Phoenix area, and he graciously let me take these home with me, and I'm gonna measure them out and hopefully reproduce them in the future. All right, so next up is a 1970 Park fuzz sound, and Park was an offshoot of Marshall amplifiers. These were made by Sola Sound, and it's a Mark III style tone bender. This variant is just a tad bit different than the stock, just to differentiate it for the Marshall production or Park production. So we swapped out into, this is a 1960s baritone Teisco something or other. It's a Japanese-made baritone guitar, and it's pretty rad. That thing is really gnarly. It's a lot burlier than the Mark II as far as like gain. It's got a ton more gain. It gets a lot brighter and kind of woolier with the tone control, which the other ones don't have. So that's pretty cool about these guys, is that you can kind of control the tone, and it's really aggressively bright or really aggressively full sounding, which is kind of fun. I felt like the baritone on this one would really shine with the single coils, and being tuned down, it just sounds bigger. And so because this one's a little bit quieter, like its maximum output isn't quite as loud as Unity or like the bypass signal, it might be better to just, do everything you can to make it sound bigger and fuller.